You are trying to concentrate, but your mind is wandering, or you are easily distracted. If you are facing these kinds of problems, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 unique and powerful techniques on how to focus and concentrate on your studies for long hours. Let's get started. Number 1. Spider web technique. Okay guys, there's the spider. If you touch a spider web with a spoon, what happens? Of course, the spider will react and start looking for what is touching the web. But if you will do it several times, the spider will realize there is no insect or bug and will not look back. Similarly, when you sit in your workstation, give 5 minutes to think about the possible sources of distractions. For example, when you will study, someone will knock the door. Somebody may drop something near you, or some noise from your neighborhood, etc. So what I'm trying to say is that before starting your studies, make up your mind that these disturbances and incidents may happen, but I should not pay any attention to them. I will reach my goal and absolutely nothing will stop me. So stay focused, stay motivated and study hard. Number 2. Keyword technique. It is a simple but very effective technique. In this method, you just need to find a unique word or keyword related to your work. For example, suppose you are learning to play piano and suddenly you start feeling distracted to something else. Then you start saying the keyword music, 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 music till you start playing the piano again. Similarly, while you are studying and feeling distracted, repeat your keyword study again and again. This will really help you to focus. Number 3. Brain boosting methods. A person can't concentrate if he or she is unwell or suffering from various ailments. So, in order to improve your concentration, physical exercise is very essential. Aerobic exercise like quick walk, jumping jacks, running increases the concentration of oxygen in your brain. The foods you eat can affect cognitive functions like concentration and memory. Avoid processed foods, too much sugar, and very greasy or fatty foods. To boost your concentration, try eating more of the following: berries, broccoli, avocados, spinach, whole grains. These are some of the examples of such foods to increase your concentration power. Staying hydrated can also have a positive impact on concentration. So drink plenty of water. The most important thing is a good night's sleep for higher concentration and memory power. 7 to 8 hours of sleep is very sufficient for most of person doing moderate amount of physical work. Don't use gadgets before you go to bed, because backlight screen will stress your eyes. Drink a glass of milk before you go to bed, or take a warm water shower for instant sleep. How others see you is not important. How you see yourself is everything. That's it all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. For more awesome tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel, be creative and artistic, and press that bell icon for my latest new uploads. See you in my next video. Bye.